In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to navigate your dashboard. First, log in to your CCI account. The dashboard will be the first page you land on when you log in, but you can also reach it by selecting Dashboard on the upper left-hand side of the menu. Here, you can view your active credentials and reference a key that explains what each icon means. Click the Start New Application button in the upper right. This takes you to the Apply for Credentials section and shows you which credentials you can apply for. Current certifications will be listed under Active Credentials. Any open applications will be listed under My Applications. The name and a brief description of the certification are provided. You can use this information to confirm you are applying for the correct certification. Below the description of the certification you are applying for, you'll be able to see when you started the application and when it expires. You will also see the remaining steps needed to complete the application. At the top of the My Applications section, there's a key that breaks down the progress steps, showing what each icon means: incomplete, completed, in review, verified, corrections needed, or denied. If your application is in draft, you'll see a note indicating that status. This will change as you move through the application. To learn more about the certification you're applying for, select the Handbook icon to open a PDF version of the Certification Handbook for your review. When you're ready to review, finalize, and submit your application, click View Your Application. This will open the details of your application and display each section for you to complete.